5-minute yoga for better sleep. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. If you've been struggling with sleep, you're not alone. According to the National Sleep Foundation, about 50% of adults in the United States experience occasional sleep problems, and 30% have chronic insomnia. The good news is that yoga can improve sleep quality. The practice of yoga provides a lot of benefits for your physical, mental, and emotional health. You can use it to feel calm and relaxed. Yoga poses promote relaxation by stretching and releasing tension in the muscles. In addition, yoga can increase the production of the hormone melatonin that regulates the sleep-wake cycle, leading to better sleep. Here is a 5-minute yoga routine to help you relax and sleep better. The first pose is a gentle yoga pose called Child's Pose. Begin by kneeling on your mat and sit back on your heels. Reach your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take a deep breath in and exhale, allowing your body to relax and release any tension. Stay in this pose for 3 to 5 deep breaths. Next, we'll move into cat-cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees, with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back and lift your tailbone up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin to your chest. Continue to move between these two poses, breathing deeply and slowly, for 3 to 5 rounds. Now, we'll move into legs up the wall pose. Find a wall and sit next to it with your knees bent and your feet on the ground. Lie down on your back and swing your legs up onto the wall, so that your hips are close to the wall and your legs are straight up. Rest your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, staying in this pose for 1 to 2 minutes. The next pose is supine spinal twist. Lie on your back on a yoga mat, with your legs extended straight out in front of you. Bend your right knee and place your right foot on the floor, close to your left knee. Take your left hand and place it on your right knee, then inhale deeply. As you exhale, gently twist your torso, using your left hand to guide your knee down towards the floor on the left side of your body. Extend your right arm out to the side, keeping your shoulder blades grounded on the mat. Hold the pose for 3 to 5 deep breaths. Repeat the pose on the other side, bending your left knee and twisting to the right. Finally, we'll end with corpse pose, also known as Savasana. Lie down on your back with your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Allow your body to sink into the mat and let go of any tension. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, staying in this pose for 1 to 2 minutes. Congratulations, you've completed the 5-minute yoga routine to calm your mind and prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Sleep well.